Hey, welcome to the Blake at Taos Ski Valley. We are right at the base area of this awesome ski resort in New Mexico. Let me show you around our room. We have a 2-queen room, and there's really cool aspen wallpaper on the walls right there. And then I love the blue and tans coloring on the beds. They just look so cozy and inviting. They're all about eco and sustainability, so you have a refillable water carafe there. Fridge in here, little desk just in case work calls. And then this nice little chair. You're gonna follow me out into our balcony. Got a couple chairs, and right over there, just steps away from several different lifts to get you right on the slopes. Here's the bathroom. Spacious bathroom. There's a giant shower, giant bath, a great little bath caddy to take a bubble bath, giant mirror. Spacious. The mountain is big. The rooms are spacious and nice. Local Bison Star Naturals amenities, sage pine lotion, sage pine hand wash. Do we just lose some of the light? The Blake has a lot of amenities that make your stay a bit elevated. There's a ski valet room where you can change into your boots and grab your board before you head out on the slopes so you don't have to put everything on in your room. There's also a spa, and they have great comfort zone products. Pool and hot tub area outside, and right next door to it is a fitness area with cardio equipment, weights, and a yoga room. And there's actually free yoga in the morning. Another cool thing, we got here early before our room was ready, and we were able to valet our car for free and store all of our stuff and get right out on the snow. That's about it for everything that's here at the Blake. We're gonna go enjoy the ski resort. We're gonna go enjoy Taos Ski Valley. So thanks for exploring with me. I'm Jennifer with Snowboard Traveler.